We have listed the world's tallest statues for you, from shorter to taller. We think that these statues, which took many years and great effort to make, will attract your attention. We are planning to publish our video about the most interesting statues known by very few people in the coming days. Statue of the Goddess of Mercy at the Ryozen Kannon Temple. Ryozen Kannon Shrine is located in Kyoto, Japan. The statue of the Goddess of Mercy in the temple was built in 1955. The statue is 24 meters high and weighs approximately 500 tons. Daibutsu statue at Nihonji Temple. Nihonji Temple is located in Chiba, Japan. The statue of Daibutsu in the temple was completed in 1783. The height of the statue is approximately 31 meters. Statue of the Virgin of Masrilia in Mirabel Castle. Mirabel Castle is located in France. The construction of the statue of Our Lady of Masrilia in Mirabel Castle took 3 years and was completed in 1941. The height of the statue is approximately 33 meters, and the weight of the concrete statue is 440 tons. Statue of Cristo de la Concordia. Cristo de la Concordia is a statue of Jesus Christ. It is located on San Pedro Hill, east of Cochabamba, Bolivia. The construction of the statue took 7 years and was completed in 1994. Its height is approximately 40 meters. The weight of the statue, made of steel and concrete, is approximately 2,200 tons. Tiruvalluvar statue at Kanyakumari. Tiruvalluvar statue is located on a small island near the town of Kanyakumari in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. The construction of the statue took 9 years and was completed in 1999. Its height is approximately 41 meters and the weight of the stone statue is 7,000 tons. Guru Padmasambhava of Samdrupse. Samdrupse Hill. It is located 5 kilometers from Namchi city in India. The statue of Guru Padmasambhava is located on this hill. The statue was completed in 2004 and is 45 meters high. African Renaissance Monument. The African Renaissance Monument is a bronze statue located on one of the twin hills known as Mamelles, outside Dakar, Senegal. The construction of the statue took 2 years and was completed in 2010. The height of the statue is 52 meters. Guanyin of Mount Sikiao. The Guanyin of Shikiao Mountain is a statue of Guanyin located on Shikiao Mountain in Foshan City, Guangdong Province, China. The statue was completed in the 1990s and its height is 62 meters. Statue of Equality. The Statue of Equality is a statue of the philosopher Ramanuja located in the Ranga Reddy area on the outskirts of Hyderabad, India. The construction of the statue took 8 years and was completed in 2022. The height of the statue is 66 meters. Leshan Giant Buddha. The Leshan Giant Buddha is a stone statue located near the city of Leshan in the southern part of China's Sichuan province. It is the world's tallest pre-modern statue, built between 713 and 803. The height of the statue is 71 meters. Bronze Guanyin statue at Tiez Shan Monastery. Tiesh Shan Monastery is a Buddhist temple located in Tung Tiesh, Taipo District, Hong Kong. The bronze cast statue of Guanyin statue is located in this monastery. The statue is coated with white fluorocarbon self-cleaning paint. The statue was completed in 2015 and its height is 76 meters. The Motherland Calls. The Motherland Calls is the compositional center of the Heroes of the Battle of Stalingrad Memorial Ensemble in Volgograd, Russia. The construction of the statue took 8 years and was completed in 1967. The height of the statue is 85 meters and its weight is over 8,000 tons. Grand Buddha at Lingshan. The Grand Buddha statue is located on the northern shore of Lake Tai, near Wuxi City in Jiangsu Province, China. The Grand Buddha statue at Lingshan is in bronze and was completed in late 1996. The height of the statue is 88 meters and its weight is over 700 tons. Daikanon of Kita no Miyako Park. Daikanon in Kita no Miyako Park in Japan is also known as Hokkaido Cannon. Planning for the statue began in 1975 and its construction was completed in 1989. The height of the statue is 88 meters. Great Buddha of Thailand. Wat Muang Temple is located in Angthong Province, Thailand. The Great Buddha of Thailand is a Buddha statue located in this temple. The construction of the statue, painted gold and made of concrete, took 18 years and was completed in 2008. The height of the statue is 92 meters. The Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty is a massive neoclassical statue located on Liberty Island in New York Harbor in New York City. The copper statue, a gift from the people of France to the United States, was dedicated on October 28, 1886. The statue became a symbol of freedom and the United States. The height of the statue is 93 meters, and its weight is approximately 204 tons. Guishan Guanyin of the Thousand Hands and Eyes. Miyin Temple is located in Weishan Town, Hunan Province, China. Guishan Guanyin of a Thousand Hands and Eyes is located in this temple. This gilded bronze monument was completed in 2009. The height of the statue is 99 meters. Sendai Daikanon. Sendai Daikanon is a large statue located in Sendai, Japan. The construction of the statue took 5 years and was completed in 1991. The height of the statue is 100 meters. Mother Ukraine. Mother Ukraine is a monumental Soviet-era statue located in Kiev, the capital of Ukraine. The construction of the statue, which was completed in 1981, took 2 years. This statue, made of titanium, is 102 meters high and weighs 560 tons. Emperors Yan and Huang. The statue of Emperors Yan and Huang is a monument carved from a mountain above the Yellow River in China. The construction of the statue took 20 years and was completed in 2007. The height of the statue is 106 meters. Guanyin of Nanshan. The Guanyin of Nanshan is a statue located near the Nanshan Sanya Temple on the southern coast of Hainan Province in China. The construction of the statue took 6 years and was completed in 2005. The height of the statue is 108 meters. Statue of Belief. The Statue of Belief is a statue of the Hindu god Shiva built in the town of Nathdwara in Rajasthan, India. The sculpture construction was completed in 2020. The height of the statue is 112 meters. Laikyun Sekya Buddha. This statue of Gautama Buddha is located in Katakantong village near Moniwa, Myanmar. The construction of the statue took 12 years and was completed in 2008. The height of the statue is approximately 116 meters. Ushiku Daibutsu. Ushiku Daibutsu is a Buddha statue located in Ushiku City, Ibaraki Prefecture, Japan. The statue was completed in 1993. The height of this bronze statue is 120 meters and its weight is 4,000 tons. Garuda Wisnu Kencana statue. The Garuda Wisnu Kencana statue is located in the Garuda Wisnu Kencana Cultural Park in Bali, Indonesia. The construction of the statue took 25 years and was completed in 2018. The height of the statue is 122 meters and its weight is 4,000 tons. Spring Temple Buddha. The Spring Temple Buddha is a statue located in Zhaoqing County, Henan Province, China. The construction of the statue took 11 years and was completed in 2008. The height of the statue, made of copper casting, is 128 meters. Statue of Unity. The Statue of Unity is the tallest statue in the world, located near Kevadia in the Indian state of Gujarat. The construction of the statue took 5 years and was completed in 2018. The height of the statue is 182 meters. 210,000 cubic meters of cement and concrete, 6,500 tons of structural steel, and 18,500 tons of reinforced steel were used in the construction of the statue. 1,700 tons of bronze plates and 1,850 tons of bronze coating were used on the exterior.